Well, what does the rest of the school year look like now after so many snow days off this week? Hello again, everybody. I'm Gene Valicenti. What's the post-blizzard makeup plan?
And I'm Tamara Sakarzik. Their choices: snow days, remote days, or summertime studies. Everyone's favorite, right? NBC 10's Mike Cerullo is here to break it all down for us. Mike.
Well, Gene and Tammy, while sledding and snowball fights may sound fun now, snow days do need to be made up. But with so many of them, the big question is when.
It all really depends on the district and the municipality.
Ride Commissioner Angélica Infante-Green says for the first time she can remember, her department will take steps to try to waive days, possibly allowing some school districts to dip below the Ocean State's 180-day requirement in the wake of this historic blizzard.
The process is I bring that to my council, and they make the decision whether it's something that we should waive. Then the schools, the districts have to take it to their school boards as well.
Let's look at Newport Public Schools, for example. The district starts and ends later than most. Without any missed days, this school year would end June 24th. And in the typical 4-day buffer, if necessary, that takes us to June 30th. Is there a possibility that some students are in school in July?
I don't see that happening in July.
In Massachusetts, districts must meet a 180-day requirement, even if it means making up some days. However, in some situations, state education leaders could request a waiver. NBC 10 asked the Department of Education, are you considering a cutoff date for this school year? A spokesperson sent us the link to the publicly available guidance on its website and said, quote, we continue to talk to districts about this particular storm. In Rhode Island, as parents try to plan out the coming months, Infante-Green says they likely won't have to wait too much longer for answers.
I think districts will be making these decisions very soon. I don't think it's something they're going to make 2-3 months from now.
And while the state is working to help Rhode Island school districts, the final calls on the school calendar will be made at the local level. In the studio, Mike Cerullo, NBC 10 News.